So, before 2020, we told time and made plans with BC and AD, right? But in 2020, we have decided to change all that. We now tell time and make plans by saying pre-COVID and post-COVID. Pre-COVID were the times where people were concerned about the great outdoors, taking pictures and all that scenery. But now, people are in fact more concerned about how much they can achieve indoors. Someone in fact reached out to me and said, hey Bella, I want to do an Instagram live video, but I don't have money. There's no money in the economy. What smartphone can I buy in order to carry on with this Instagram live videos? And I thought to myself, what device would come in handy for that? Thankfully, Samsung has risen to the occasion with the brand new Samsung M11. I'll tell you what the exciting features of this device are and share with you why it is probably the best thing to happen while we are in the COVID pandemic. I'm Bella Rizokoje. This is TechCity. We'll be right back after this. So the M11 has a 6.4-inch HD display screen. It also comes with a front glass and a plastic back and a plastic frame as well. There's no Bixby button I see on this side, so that tells you perhaps that there's no Bixby function on the M11, but the volume rocker and the power on button are on this side. It also has an Infinity O display that has the selfie camera on this side, really tiny, and gives you a lot of space to view whatever you're viewing, whatever you're recording, depending on what you're using the device for. It was released in May of this year, and it's got a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Yet again, gives you a lot more space to view stuff, and it comes powered with the Android 10 OS. The processing power on the M11 is 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. It's not the highest you'll find in the market, but again, for the price and perhaps what you'll be using it primarily for, that definitely works. Now, the back panel of the M11 is not removable. However, the device is a dual SIM device that also boasts of a bezel-less display. Pretty tiny for a mid-range device. Also, the memory capacity on the M11 is at 32 gigabytes for internal memory and 3 gig of RAM. Yes. Let's talk about the camera real quickly, shall we? It's got a triple camera feature just behind here, and that's 32 megapixels back-facing camera with 5 megapixels for wide angle shots and 2 megapixels for depth as well. And it's got a flash right at the back too. The front-facing camera is 5 megapixels, and it's a warn that it doesn't take the best selfies, but the back-facing camera really does a good job. It boasts of about 17 hours HD video playback, and it also has the live focus feature as well on it on the M11. That's pretty decent. So the resolution on the M11 comes at 720 by 1560, and that may not be very high, so you're conserving a lot of energy. Even then, the battery power is 5,000 milliampere hours. That is a lot of power you have here. So you have enough battery to either watch Netflix, which it comes pre-installed with anyway, and your YouTube videos as well as your Instagram. There's a lot of power that you can save on the M11. Even more, it's got a 15 watts fast charging feature as well, which gives you almost up to 50% charge for just 30 minutes. That's exciting if you ask me. It also has a headphone jack up here, almost a sight for sore eyes, and it comes again with a fingerprint scanner for unlocking the device, and that's really cool. So you've got a lot of interesting features on the device, giving you a lot of this functionality that you would find in some high-end Samsung phones on this one, and it's coming at, guess how much? 62,200 naira. That's the recommended retail price of the Samsung M11. So I think that while it doesn't take the best selfies, it works really well for video recording, particularly using the back-facing camera. That's a tri-camera anyway. So yeah, that's all I can share today on my review of the Samsung M11. Let me know exactly what you like the most about the device, especially because it is meant to do better than a lot of other devices within its range from competitors. So let me know what you're most impressed by in the comments down below, and exactly what perhaps you would enjoy the most if you had this device. 5,000 milliampere hours, that's a lot of battery power. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do make sure that you subscribe to our channel. It's very important that you do so before you leave, and like this video as well. Check around for other really exciting tech stuff that we have right here on TechCity. And remember, most importantly, because we love you so much, we need to remind you to please wash your hands with soap under running water for at least 20 seconds. If you don't have any of those, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Remember to please put on your nose masks properly and take them off properly as well. That's important. Don't forget to please observe social distancing as much as possible. If you need to cough, do the dab. Till I come your way again next time. This is TechCity, Bella Rosa Koje signing out. Hopefully, post-COVID-19, we have life back to normal. Bye.